Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to tear down iPad Air 2020, also known as iPad Air 4 for repairs. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires for iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or card pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the reflex cables attached to the logic board. Now lift the screen and place it on the table. Next, remove 2 plates by undoing 3 screws and then disconnect 3 connector plugs that connect the LCD and the body. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. Similar to Air 2 and 3, the LCD and touch come together as an assembly. Next, to remove the battery, need some more heating on the battery side. Meanwhile, undo the screw on top of the battery connector. Be careful and apply the heat to release the adhesive from the battery. Again, we are using the heating pad but on the rear side where the battery locates. Next, by using a plastic card pry tool, gently cut the adhesive under the logic board. By doing this, you can loosen the logic board and then insert a pry tool by the bottom edge of the logic board. Now we can raise the board a little to pull out the battery. Next, insert a couple of pry tools and cut the adhesive under the battery. Be gentle in this process and lift the battery carefully. The glue is very sticky and sometimes needs a card pry tool to cut the adhesive on the battery stoppage. Now we can take out the battery. Next, we can start the process of taking out the logic board, but first undo the screw on the top right to remove the plate. And then undo 10 screws and disconnect 3 antennas. And also the plate under the front camera. Peel the antenna up while disconnecting two connector plugs. Next, take out the front camera by disconnecting the plug. Next, peel the tape and disconnect the flex cable and take it out gently. Now on the top right, disconnect the plug and take out the flex. Next, move the antenna aside and disconnect the power and back camera plugs. Next, peel the tape and disconnect the volume flex on top. And again on the center, peel the tape and lift the flex connector. Next, undo the plug to disconnect the speaker module. Next, peel the tape to disconnect the smart connector cable under the charger port. And then undo two screws on top of the charger port. It looks like the charger port flex is soldered to the logic board. By using a pry tool, gently lift the flex cable. Next, using a pry tool, gently lift the logic board while cutting extra adhesive under the logic board. Be careful on this step. When it goes to the top, peel the copper colored cable attached to the board while removing it. Finally, we can take out the logic board. Next, peel the tapes and by using a pry tool, lift the speaker module. Next, on the top right, release one more screw and take out the power flex and the button. Next, move the ribbon and undo 2 screws on the volume plate, and then take out the button and flex cable. Next, by the rear side, apply a little push to take out the smart connector flex cable. Finally, on the left hand side, peel the ribbon flex cable after disconnecting it. And this concludes our teardown guide for repairs. Still, there are speakers and the rear camera in the body, which can take out by using a pry tool. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Please do share and comment on our videos. Thanks.